Hello there. In today's video, we will be showcasing the functionalities of the cart in the Festo Online Shop. So once you have logged into your account and clicked on the cart, you will now be brought to the empty cart page. Once you are here, you'll be able to add products one of three ways: via the import over here, which we'll go into in further detail, searching for a product and hitting enter on the flyout, adding to cart, or simply by adding via the quick order. So one of the key functionality of this quick order is that it lets you order via part number, order code, or your reference number if that is maintained in our system. So you'll see here what happens when I paste a configuration in. It will check. I can now add to the basket, and once it has gone through the system, it will add to your cart. Another function with this is the ability to add things like valve terminals that need to be fully configured. So we'll go ahead and add a valve terminal in here, and you'll see that as it loads and pulls up, it will give you an error indicating that it is an invalid configuration. So you can either open up the full configurator through the basket, or if you have it handy, you can paste your ident code in here. This is a 2 ident code item, so we'll go through that. It will show blue submit once it is checked. Hit submit, and then it will load the information. Being able to access the configurator from the basket is extremely valuable in that you can make changes in the basket without having to go through the product selection again. Now you'll see everything is loaded, so we can break down what you're looking at here. You'll see the product image, the name, the part number, the order code, again, your reference if it is maintained. As this is a test account with arbitrary pricing and not functioning delivery date status, your accounts will be able to see the price per unit, quantity, summary, and the ability to delete the line item. That is what you'll see in the main basket, and now we can go through the more options up here on the top left. So you have the ability to select all. You can delete all either here or up at the top right. Copy is if you wish to copy all the items and paste them back in. Merge identical positions is really handy for when you're working with a big basket. You can select this, and any of the products, say you have another pneumatic muffler at the bottom of a large basket, you'll be able to merge these positions so you don't accidentally order too many or not enough. Download here, where you can create a download package with various technical and data, as well as the ability to sort items, where you can drag and drop line items in the order which you prefer. Going up to the top right now, you'll see the import functionality, where when you select here, you'll see of 3 formats: either the Festo format, which contains all the information you need, customized format for anything more you might have on your customer side, which you can drag and drop the CSV file here, or simply by copying and pasting items from your list or typing it. Of course, please note this is limited to 100 items as noted here. Going back to the cart, we'll go over the export functionality, where there's 3 formats: the Festo, which contains all the columns here, Fluid Draw if you were using a Fluid Draw application, and the customized format, which will contain significantly more options such as the product weight and shipping categories. You have the ability to save a list, which is great for team collaboration or for your own baskets. Please note these are only saved for 180 days in the system, so if it is an extremely important list that you and your team works on, it would be valuable to save as a CSV. Of course, you have the print basket option, the share basket option, of which you can send it to another colleague or non-Festo user just by entering their email, and then the delete all. For all the items in your basket, you'll be able to select a later delivery date. Whether you're not able to receive the shipment or you're still waiting for the project, this is a very valuable tool. Of course, you have the summary, which will indicate your pricing, and once you are content, you can either request a quote to be created, which will show up in your quotes as You can use the video that we've created already to access that, or you can check out. If you need any assistance with checking out, please use our checkout video that will be listed below. Thank you very much.